Step 6. License Agreement Setup. The license agreement shows up during the installation of the software on the user's computer. The user must agree to the license terms before the software will continue installation, just like you see with other software. You can skip adding a license agreement if you want, because each software already has a generic license agreement programmed into the installation file. But if you want to display your own license agreement, you can compose it in the word processor you see here, and the generic license agreement will be overwritten by your own. Now we can move on to the final step.